Welcome to the introduction of our Afrikaans from Zero course. We are so excited to have you here. This course was created especially for beginner Afrikaans learners, whether you've never learned Afrikaans before or you've tried in the past and felt unsure or overwhelmed. We can't wait to get you going and help you speaking and understanding Afrikaans naturally. Afrikaans from Zero is a listening-first, beginner-friendly course. That means no grammar explanations, no pressure to perform, no expectation to be perfect. Instead, we focus on how Afrikaans sounds, repetition that actually helps your brain learn, small realistic steps that build confidence. You'll start by training your ear, then you'll learn words, and before you realize it, short Afrikaans conversations will start making sense. You don't need to be good at languages, you don't need to learn fast. You just need to continue. Each lesson in this course is short and focused. You'll hear clear, slow Afrikaans, lots of repetition, time to listen and get used to the sounds. To get the best results from this course, here's how to use the channel. Start with a short lesson in the playlist. These teach you step by step and build on each other. You'll also find story videos. These help you train your listening ear. Vocabulary videos. These help you recognize and remember common words. Long, calm listening videos, perfect for relaxed repetition, even while resting or falling asleep. Learning a new language takes repetition and time. The more you hear Afrikaans spoken naturally, the easier it becomes. Make sure to use all the resources on this channel to expose yourself to Afrikaans as often as you can. As you continue with this course, you'll start to recognize common Afrikaans words, understand greetings and polite expressions, ask and answer simple questions, follow short everyday conversations. We'll move from sounds to words, words to short conversations. Everything builds step by step, nothing is rushed and nothing is random. Many learners are surprised by one simple thought: I can actually understand Afrikaans now. And that's exactly what this course is designed to help you achieve. Now, I know you can't wait to get going and learn your first Afrikaans words, so let's start gently. Afrikaans has clear open vowel sounds. Listen to this sound. Ah, ah, oor, oor, ear, ear. These sounds stay very consistent in Afrikaans. Now let's use them in real words. Repeat each word after me. Hello. Hello. Dankie. Dankie. Ja. Ja. Nee. Nee. And just like that, you've already learned 4 Afrikaans words. This video is just the introduction. If you're ready to start learning right away, head to Lesson 1, Afrikaans Pronunciation Made Easy. That's where the real learning begins and where you'll discover why Afrikaans pronunciation is much easier than most people expect. Subscribe and save the playlist so you can come back anytime. We're excited to learn with you.